They've been calling, they've been asking for some help. Nobody seems to care. They are saying, are we not one ummah? Our pain told your share. They are hoping that Salahuddin will come again, inshallah. They should know that their prayers never go to waste, 'cause Allah hears. He hears everything and He does not forget. Justice will come to the Holy Land. Palestine, 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 you will be free. Ya Rabbi, we call you. Oh, please set them free. It's the same old story, different day. They're just hoping for a change. They just wanna be treated like humans. They just wanna live a simple life. They just wanna go outside and nothing's falling from the sky. Tired of those hard goodbyes. They should know that their prayers never go to waste, 'cause Allah hears. He hears everything and He does not forget. Justice will come to the Holy Land. Palestine, 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 you will be free. Ya Rabbi, we call you. Oh, please set them free. Oh Allah, I'm begging, please. Without your help we are nothing. We will just bleed. You are the only one who can set them free. Take their pain away. Palestine, 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 you will be free. Ya Rabbi, we call you. Oh, please set them free.